In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to highlight text in Canva. Whether you are emphasizing a keyword in a social post or drawing attention to a callout in a presentation, highlights make your message stand out. We'll cover 2 quick methods that work on any Canva design and keep your text clean and readable. Start by opening your design in Canva so you can see your text on the canvas. Zoom in a bit if you want a precise view. It helps with alignment and fine adjustments so your highlight looks intentional and polished. First up is Canva's built-in background effect for text. Click to select the text box you want to style. Then head to the top toolbar and choose Effects. From the panel that appears, pick Background. Instantly, Canva adds a color behind your text. Now, refine it with the sliders. Roundness controls how curved the corners look, from sharp rectangles to soft pill shapes. Spread expands or tightens the padding around each line, so you can create a slim underline look or a full highlight bar. Transparency adjusts how see-through the highlight is. Lowering it gives that classic marker feel, while 0% is solid. Choose a color with good contrast, so your text remains readable. And remember, this effect applies to the selected text box. It's quick, consistent, and great when you want a tidy, uniform style. If you want a manual approach with more placement control, use Elements. Open the Elements tab, then search for square or rounded rectangle. Drag a shape onto the canvas, resize it, and position it over the word or phrase you want to highlight. Use the shape handles to match the width of your text and pick a fill color that complements your design. A rounded rectangle often feels friendlier, while a square reads more structured. This method is handy when you want to highlight just part of a line or create a stylized accent that doesn't follow the exact text box shape. With the shape in place, it's time to put it behind the text so the letters stay visible. Click Position in the top toolbar and choose Backward. This moves the shape behind your text layer without sending it behind everything on the page. Tap backward again if needed until the text sits on top. If the highlight feels heavy, reduce the shape's transparency slightly for a softer effect. Nudge with your arrow keys for precise alignment, and watch the pink snap guides to keep things centered and consistent across your design. And that's it. Thanks for watching.